Welcome to Adventures with Angela and Julian. We're so excited to take you along on our Alaskan cruise. That's right, Alaska. This trip is extra special, celebrating my 50th birthday and our 20th wedding anniversary. From the moment we boarded in Vancouver, the excitement was unreal. The sail away party, the stunning skyline, and gliding beneath the iconic Lions Gate Bridge. It was the perfect start to an unforgettable journey through some of the most breathtaking landscapes on Earth. So grab a coffee or your favorite beverage, sit back and sail away with us.
There we go. Woo, we have made it. Let's get this right.
My job is entertainment. Captain's job is location. Your job is the weather, okay? So if you do your job, I do my job. He does his job. We should all be fine.
From the moment we stepped aboard, we knew this adventure would be unforgettable. The warm smiles of the crew and the excitement of setting sail from Vancouver set the tone for something truly special. As we made our way north, every day brought new moments of wonder. Calm seas, majestic glaciers, and breathtaking views that reminded us how beautiful the world can be. We explored charming ports, spotted whales and eagles, and spent peaceful mornings on deck with coffee in hand, just soaking it all in. This wasn't just a cruise, it was a celebration of life, love, and the journey we've shared together. From the first wave goodbye to sailing back beneath the Lions Gate Bridge, Alaska captured our hearts and left us with memories we'll cherish forever. Alright, come and check out our room on the Coral Princess. It's pretty spacious. It's the accessible room.
Oh, the fridge.
Here's This was our very first cruise and our first with Princess, and it was absolutely amazing. From the moment we stepped on board, we were blown away by the comfort of our room, the friendliness of the staff, and the endless things to see and do. Whether we were enjoying a delicious meal, live entertainment, exploring the ship, or simply relaxing and taking in the views, there was never a dull moment. All right, let's go check out deck 14. Well, I think it's nice to know that it's pretty accessible on this boat. I'm sure it'll be fine. Can you figure it out? first port was Juneau, the capital of Alaska, a place filled with charm and character. We spent the day exploring the town, wandering through its colorful streets, and stopping at a Melga distillery for a taste of the local flavor. Then we made our way to the breathtaking Mendenhall Glacier. Even though the weather was a little drizzly, it didn't dampen our spirits one bit. Surrounded by misty mountains and the sound of rushing water, we soaked in every moment of this beautiful place. Juneau gave us our first true taste of Alaska, from its rugged beauty to the warmth of its people, and we knew this adventure was only just the beginning.
Okay, we made it to Juneau, and we just sort of toured the town, and now we're just waiting for our tour bus to go see the Mendenhall Glacier. So I'm super excited to do that. It's been pretty busy around here, and lots of people, and a little bit rainy, but that's okay. We'll take what we can get, and yeah, we'll be on the tour bus shortly to go see the glacier, so I'm really looking forward to that. So there you go. Hi, Juneau. Guys, this is our first visit to Alaska, and I have to say I am loving it. It's been cold today, but it's just spectacular. We've seen whales. We've went on a glacier tour today. We've walked down Main Street. We went to the distillery. We've explored. Sadly, it's been a little cold and a little bit rainy, but otherwise, it's just been so far day one, and Juneau has been fantastic. Tomorrow we are off to Skagway, and I am looking forward to the next adventure there as well, which is the railway tour. So we are docked in Skagway. Keep going forward, Mike. A little bit more.
And my best friend, John Isaac Randolph, who is in charge of our train. And assisting him is our brakeman, Kyle Danielson. On your seat, you should find.
brought us to Skagway, and I have to say it was my favorite stop of the trip. The highlight was the scenic ride on the White Pass and Yukon Route Railway, a narrow gauge train that's been running since the days of the Klondike Gold Rush. The journey was breathtaking. From mountain passes to rushing waterfalls, every turn offered another stunning view. If you love trains, history, and incredible scenery, this is an excursion I can't recommend enough. We also stopped by the Skagway Distillery. Yes, there's a bit of a theme here, and explored the town's historic streets. With only about 1,000 residents, Skagway may be small, but its rich history and charm make it one of Alaska's most unforgettable stops. Our next stop wasn't a port, but it was one of the most incredible highlights of the trip, Glacier Bay National Park. We spent almost an hour in front of Marjorie Glacier, simply in awe of its massive ice beauty. This is truly one of Mother Nature's most spectacular sights, and if you're booking a cruise to Alaska, make sure Glacier Bay is on your itinerary. As if the glacier itself wasn't enough, we were treated to an amazing wildlife show, spotting sea otters, whales, seals, and even grizzly bears along the shoreline. It was a magical experience that reminded us just how wild and breathtaking Alaska really is.
Here. Okay, wave to the camera. Mike, wave.
Oh, is this a video?
Yeah.
Right.
Our final port of call was Ketchikan, and we spent the day exploring this charming town. One of the highlights was Creek Street, a historic, colorful boardwalk built on stilts over Ketchikan Creek. Walking along the boardwalk, we enjoyed the scenic views, visited art galleries and shops, and learned about its colorful past as a former red light district. We even spotted salmon in the creek and watched local seals swimming nearby, a fun reminder of the wildlife everywhere in Alaska. Julian kept up his theme of distillery visits, and we enjoyed a beverage at Uncharted Alaska Distillery, which is built in Ketchikan's old firehouse. It was a perfect way to cap off our final day in this vibrant and historic town.
Sure. Oh God, I bet my dad got a t-shirt from here. Police and Fire Department, Ketchikan t-shirt.
As our Alaskan adventure came to an end, we reflected on all the incredible moments, from stepping on board in Vancouver to exploring charming towns, riding historic trains, marveling at towering glaciers, and spotting amazing wildlife. This trip was more than just a cruise. It was a celebration of milestones, my 50th birthday and our 20th wedding anniversary. Alaska's beauty, history, and wild spirit left a lasting impression, and we're so grateful for every view, every experience, and every memory. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. We hope you enjoyed exploring Alaska with us as much as we did. If you loved coming along, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can join us on our next adventure.